Well, hello everyone. I'm in Minecraft and I am going to build the third story of no. I apologize for the second story because, well, unfortunately something went crazy. But pretty much just the interior of one room with a stadia doors and a stadia planks as the walls, furnaces, chests, crafting tables. It's a slightly larger room. And you can see the layout for yourselves. You don't have to copy it. And that's just pretty much the second story, except for these large windows and staircases and lanterns and carpet. That was rather unfortunate because, yeah. So yeah, unfortunately, I don't really want to destroy this. So I am just going to, well, you could say I'm going to build the third story now. I'm currently trying to build some staircases that lead to the third story, but I clearly forgot them, as I was too busy with the second story. Okay, so after rebuilding that staircase correctly this time, I'm going to make a third story now. It's still going to, the walls are going to be just. So yes, everyone, after you've gotten all of that finished, well, let's say you have finished the walls. Now you'd also line the back walls with oak logs, and I also am going to have to get around an obstacle with this Minecraft railway in the way. So yes, after you finish lining the walls too, now we'll start with the interior. This is going to be like a little dining room type of floor. And I'm getting a different plank type. I'd use dark oak planks for this floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks like this. Actually 7, 8, 9, 10. And yes, this is going to be a little kitchen. And also make some holes here. And yes, I'm also going to make the glass panes whole without having any single block, so then type in the command /give whatever your Minecraft character's name is, debug _stick. You should see it when you start typing it, and right click it, and then yes, pretty much you'd create a glass pane. The one we want is north if you're doing the right direction. But still, there you have it. This is the glass pane window. Soft to false, and yes. Then you can change the properties of the block. You can play with it however you want. Pretty much those are the serving windows. If you're good enough, you can pass things through it, like the debug stick I just drew, and this oak plank which I just drew too. Enough of that now. Time to build a kitchen. And you could use whatever you want, but still, this is just how I'm going to build my stove, which actually works. 2 detector rails, and pretty much this kind of it. I'm also going to build quite a few of them over here and there. And please, you can do whatever style you wish for. You do not have to copy my designs. And that pretty much is that. But and you can power it to it, so you can change the properties so it looks like some of the stoves are on. And yep, pretty much you got some stoves that look like they're actually on. But it's really fake. I mean, come on. And yeah, I also got a few command blocks. working the water. And this is also going to be a bit of a little counter for item frames. To hold anything you wish. It could be literally anything. And it's supposed to act as a cup, as it does to the cup. That is unless you look inside. Other than that, that is pretty much the kitchen, except for a few more things. Okay, there we go. And also some butts on the outside. And now time to build the dining tables. I've already known this design, but I'm just going to do it my own way. So I'm going to make some quite fancy couches, which you would rotate the right way, hopefully. And that is a nice looking chair, and also some trapdoors on the side to kind of hide this obnoxiousness. And for a table, which I'll build in a second. It's right here, and also that is also another couch you'd use. Which I can't seem to get it right. But pretty much just a table for two. And for anyone if you want. I'm also going to mirror this, so it's like a double-sided seat, which is, I guess you could say, a table for however many friends you want. That's that too. And yes, pretty much that's some of the dining tables. And also, I'm going to build some on this wall too. And pretty much copying the same design, except just one block shorter. So yes, after you've done this, I do the same thing on the other side of this table, except that this time it's going to be cedar for 3. So yes, after that, pretty much you'd copy the same design for the chair, or whatever you want to call it, this seating. And pretty mujust they're still missing one seater. So if you do have enough room, you can build a third one. But yeah, I've just enough room to squeeze this one in, which I'm very thankful for. And pretty much this a table for 3. If you have enough room, you can fit another chair on that side of the table, but I'm kind of running out of room right now. And yes, it's also kind of like a table, which like wait for the order, or like your seats, if you know what I mean. And some other trapdoors cover up the marks. You can still walk through here normally, and you can also, yeah, pretty much party down the place if you want. Oh yes, also, we also want to make a line, so yeah. This is going to be for the staircase, so no one falls in. Hopefully not. And pretty much, you can place your order here. And yeah, do anything else if you want, but still, yeah, I'm not the best builder. And then you just build the roof as normal with whatever block you want, and any block of your choice. No, right? I am also going a bit different this time, because then I'm going to build a roof of this hotel, which is not finished yet because it's only a 3rd story. There's still one more to go. Oh and yes, you'd also line this with oak logs. Which might be difficult for me because there's a little railway in a way. But pretty much, yeah, I think you have to work your way around it. Maybe I'll transform this into a station. Nah, maybe not. I've already done that and I've already failed hundreds of times. So after you finish the roof, you're going to need some lighting and also some more access to the 4th story, the attic. But for now, you can place the lighting in here, which is quite dark. Some lighting here, there, here and there, and so on. Oh, yeah. Something else here. Hello, touch. And that's pretty much the 3rd story. And you can, now there's one more thing I quite have forgotten. The staircase leading to the final story. I'm probably going to build it somewhere, like around here, since that's the only place I can really do it. Other than this railway that's in the way. And the staircase is going to be 2 blocks wide. And it's going to be built like this, just so you can climb it, obviously. Lantern there for lighting. So, but still, pretty much that is it for the 3rd story. If you want to, you can continue watching if you want to see more. And still, if you have enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Goodbye.